Flatulence, commonly known as farting, is a natural bodily function but can be uncomfortable and sometimes embarrassing. It is often caused by the fermentation of undigested food in the intestines, which produces gas. While everyone experiences flatulence, excessive gas can be mitigated by paying attention to diet. Here are 6 foods that can help reduce farting and promote better digestive health. 1. Yogurt. Yogurt, especially those containing live cultures, is an excellent choice for improving gut health. The probiotics in yogurt help balance the gut microbiome, promoting healthy digestion and reducing the production of gas. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that aid in breaking down food more efficiently, which can help minimize bloating and flatulence. 2. Bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate fluid balance in the body. This can prevent water retention and bloating, 2 common contributors to a feeling of gassiness. Additionally, bananas contain soluble fiber, which aids in smooth digestion without causing excessive gas production. 3. Ginger. Ginger is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties and has been used for centuries to treat various digestive issues. It helps in the breakdown of food and can stimulate digestive juices, reducing the amount of gas produced during digestion. Incorporating ginger into your diet, whether through tea, smoothies, or cooking, can provide significant relief from gas and bloating. 4. Peppermint. Peppermint, particularly in the form of tea, can relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, making it easier to pass gas and reduce bloating. The menthol in peppermint has a soothing effect on the digestive system, which can help alleviate discomfort associated with excessive gas. 5. Cucumbers. Cucumbers have a high water content and are low in fiber, making them easy to digest. Their hydrating properties can help flush out excess fluids and reduce bloating. Cucumbers also contain compounds that soothe the digestive system, making them a great addition to a diet aimed at reducing flatulence. 6. Fennel. Fennel seeds and fennel tea are traditional remedies for gas and bloating. Fennel contains anethol, a compound that relaxes the muscles in the gastrointestinal tract, allowing trapped gas to be expelled more easily. Chewing on fennel seeds after a meal or drinking fennel tea can significantly reduce bloating and discomfort. Additional tips to reduce flatulence. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation, which can contribute to gas buildup. Avoid gas-inducing foods. Certain foods are known to cause gas, such as beans, lentils, carbonated drinks, and cruciferous vegetables, for example, broccoli, cauliflower. Limiting these can reduce flatulence. Eat slowly. Eating too quickly can cause you to swallow air, which contributes to gas. Chewing food thoroughly can aid in digestion and reduce gas production. Exercise regularly. Physical activity can help move gas through the digestive system more quickly, reducing bloating and discomfort. By incorporating these 6 foods into your diet and following these additional tips, you can manage and reduce the occurrence of flatulence, leading to a more comfortable and less embarrassing digestive experience.